I got it. Rotary compression tester 5.2. Do a quick review on this thing. I think it'll be pretty sweet. Let's do an unboxing video. Then I'll kind of do like a quick how to use it thing. Be kind of fun, simple, quick. Super stoked to have this thing finally. Let's go. All right, here we go. Here's kind of the package. So opening that thing up, already kind of slid it there. Nice and secured in here. Bunch of bubble wrap in a padded mailer. Awesome. So, package is empty. In here, nice sealed up hard case. What's this thing we got here? Looks like a sticker potentially. This is just kind of in the bottom of the bag, or mailer I should say. Oh yeah, rotary compression tester sticker. It's awesome. Stick that right on the toolbox. If you couldn't see, I dropped out a 9-volt battery there. Professional Duracell alkaline battery, a Pro Cell. Here's the tester. Actually, it's the cable that goes between the tester and the spark plug actual tool. Get the zip tie off of that. So, unless I'm mistaken, I believe this is the extension for right-hand drive and for RX-8s. So, rotary compression tester case. Let's open that up. Nice sticker on the front of that. Nice hard case. Awesome. Got a handwritten note here from Steve saying thank you. Cool personal touch on the back of his business card here. Set that up here next to the sticker. He's got the word remove written in Sharpie on this clear plastic part on the top. So if I can go ahead and grab that. Kind of a cool screen protector while in transit. Looks like it's just an adhesive part there, so I'll grab that off there. Throw that away eventually. So there's the tool. I ordered it with the military spec orange case and blue screen just because I thought it was kind of a cool, unique look. And I like the orange because it's easy to see. That way I'm not like misplacing it or anything. Not that I plan on it because I'm going to use it quite a bit. Another zip tie here. Pull this off. Alright, so there is the actual original cable. Distance, lengthwise, looks to be almost about 6 feet. I'd have to kind of look that up, but about 6-foot cable, nice and long there. And then the extension for, I believe Steve had it written on there, to be the right-hand drive and RX-8s. So there's the actual tool here. Here in this top of the part of this case, microfiber towel, and then the actual testing unit that goes in the spark plug itself. Looks like he sends it with 2 extra O-rings there for replacement. O-rings look like they go on the actual spark plug. It's the spark plug end of the tool itself, because you wouldn't really need it on the other end. So I'll pull this out. 2 O-rings there. Just set those on the tester. And then the actual threaded spark plug tester itself. Everything's nice, tight. Looks like this one looks to be machined. Yep, that's actually a lathe, most likely, and the knurled part. Nice and sealed really well up in here in the, like where the wire actually comes through the sensor. Up into this part, everything's really nicely constructed here. Sweet. So I'm actually going to put the cap back on this thing for protection. I'll probably end up just putting the O-rings back in the bag. And I'll put the bag in the top separately. So that way I always have the spares with it. Kind of wrap that up a little bit. Last thing in the top. Looks to be a printed out manual here. Congratulations on purchasing the RCTV 5.2 compression tester from RotaryCompressionTester.com. Don't worry, I will not read this all to you. So, nice single page folded up instruction manual. I will actually probably laminate this thing or do something similar to it just to kind of protect it so it can be, you know, if I have any questions on it, I can read it as I'm using the tool and keep it in here. So, kind of a cool little unboxing here. I may actually be able to take this thing, I'll take the case off so you can kind of take a look at the actual tool itself. Awesome custom molded plastic case there. So there's the actual tool. Nice electronic, simple, rectangular. Pop the back off here. There we go. Kind of slides off completely there. And then here's the spot to put the 9-volt battery. So I'll pop the top off the battery. Awesome. This will just kind of fit into here, just like a 9-volt battery normally would. Alright. Kind of set the battery down in there. Slide the cover back on it. Clicks into place nice and firmly. I'm going to put my orange case back on here. Actually, what I'm most likely going to do is on the inside of this in here, I'll probably end up writing my name, cell number, you know, Dreamin' Rotary in there, just in case it were to get stolen or taken or something. That way, I know, you know, if somebody finds one or one comes up for cheap on eBay, I can maybe figure it out. So, let's try pushing it on here. So there's a power button here on the left side, power on off. Goes through kind of a cool screen here, like an intro screen. Then eventually it says begin cranking. So I'll get a better visual of this because I'm sure the camera's not picking it up the best right now. But it'll show kind of the startup procedure, and then I'll end up using it actually on the FD that's in here. We're going to do a cold test and then a warm test as well once I get the thing started. Just because I want to see, the owner said that it had been rebuilt, and so we're going to double check the engine rebuild health. So I'll turn it back off here with the click. So this button here on the side, it's push in and then it gets caught on the way out, meaning that it's on, and then when you depress it, it'll actually push the button all the way out, and then you know that it's turned all the way off. So it's a good safety switch. I like that because the likelihood of it being turned on accidentally in the case and wearing out your battery is very low. So it's a good engineering decision there on the power. We'll see maybe one more time if you can see the startup. So it goes classified performance, www.rotarycompressiontester.com, RCTV 5.2 plus made in USA, and then begin cranking. So I'll turn it off again here, kind of figure out how to wrap it back up. So I am going to basically take the tester, set it in there. And then the way Steve wrapped it up initially is kind of like this here. So I'll wrap this up just like this. Kind of curl it. I'm probably going to curl it and set it underneath the tester as it sits in the case. Push the tester up into the corner nice and snug. Set this down in here. Push down just like that. Take the actual spark plug tool, put that in the top. Not probably going to put the microfiber back in it. It's a good idea and I like it, but I'm not going to probably have room for it if I put this RX-8 right-hand drive extension in it. So I'm going to put this in here because I do have an RX-8 that needs to be tested. So stick the extension back in the top here. There we go. I'll kind of close everything back up. This nice case here. Some nice solid case. Everything fits in there nice and snug. It's not like rolling around or anything. Awesome. Sweet. Super happy with how it came in the package. I will go ahead and do a video of like how to kind of use it, at least how I plan on using it. Hey guys, so I decided to actually chop this video up into two parts. First part is going to be the unboxing. Second part is now going to be the actual testing of the unit. So with this, I'm going to end this video and I will check back in once I actually have the rotary compression test done completely. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. It's a sweet looking tool. We'll figure out how it works here in the near future. There are videos of it running on YouTube. I will try to make as good of one or maybe a little bit better one to show kind of the whole setup process of how it works. But for the time being, I'm going to cut this one short. Thanks again for watching, guys. I appreciate it. Please subscribe to the YouTube channel here. I'm on Instagram, Facebook, RX7 Club, RX8 Club. I have an eBay store. Feel free to find me on any of those platforms. I might post some links up here for those things. I appreciate all the support so far. Thanks for watching. I appreciate it. We'll catch you guys next time.